everyone, Melissa here from Colorantic, and today I'm going to show you guys a little bit about our furniture waxes.
So here at Colorantic we have 5 different waxes, starting with your clear beeswax. This is a non-yellowing clear wax. It is rated and approved food grade by Health Canada. And then we also have your gray wax, white, black, and brown, which I'll be using to demonstrate today. Typically, the tinted waxes are used to give a bit more of a shabby chic, used look to your piece of furniture. So for example, the black will give you a bit of that effect. And we have brown. Our gray wax. And our white wax. Typically with this you would use our 16mm wax brush, or we also have a larger brush for much larger surfaces, and that will be our European brush XL. Next, I am going to show you application. So wax is typically used as a final step in your project, so it'll be the last product that you'll be applying at the end. It's not only used to achieve a shabby chic, rustic look like here on the left, but again, it is used to protect and seal your project. The wax does take a little over a couple of days, if not about a week, to dry, and you don't want to use it on high traffic surfaces like kitchen counters, tables, and things like that. Now, we normally recommend to apply a coat of clear wax onto the surface first, and then go in with a tinted wax. So this piece right here, I've already applied a clear wax, and I'm going to go in with a brown. I'm actually going to take a different brush. So I'm going to take my 16mm wax brush, and I'm going to rub it in there. Now, this is a personal preference, but I like to dab a little bit off of the brush. We also do recommend to use different brushes for each color of tint. So if you are using the white wax, you're going to want to use a separate brush than if you're using a brown or black wax. So you would typically have one brush for each color wax. Now, there's another trick with a paper towel. I actually tend to like this trick a lot as well. If you would like to add a little bit more depth, you can take a paper towel and go in on the grooves a little bit more. And as you can see, it adds just a little bit more depth into your surface.